my boots. Ah. Good morning, Jason. Good morning. What are you doing, mister? Babe, did you get my coffee ready?
No. I know you were coming.
I did. I said I'm coming.
Just now.
You don't even have my coffee
You can't come.
prep?
Cause
You can't leave Jordan here by himself. Are you crazy? With Jaxson and no. Are you cray-cray?
You're cray-cray.
Please don't be cray-cray.
Don't be cray-cray, Jason. You're the oldest.
Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday, 2 days after Christmas. My hair is a hot mess. Rob and I are gonna go get some pupusa. Okay, I'll get you. You know, the funny thing is, when I got this for Destiny, the little mini backpack I showed you guys, I didn't even think Maddie would want one, and now she's like pestering me for 2 days about this mini backpack. So I'm gonna go take her to Target to go get a backpack and to replace one of her LOL doll. Her LOL doll turned up missing, so now I gotta go replace it. So ready? All right. Okay, guys. So we did Target already. We did pupusa. We got the pupusas. And Walmart. We just at Walmart. Everything is like picked over. I just drank this mandarin soda. There is 50 grams of carbs and 50 grams of sugar. Why? But we're gonna go home. Rob bought some mac and cheese to make mac and cheese for dinner. He's making it though.
No, I'm not.
That's what he picked up, and that's what he's gonna make.
Alright, well, wages ain't doing the shit.
Well, see?
No matter.
He ain't doing the shit, so no matter. Alright, we're home. I guess I'll be cooking because whatever. Ooh, I'm in my goal for day. Stand goal achieve. Yes. I need something. I'll be right back. Okay, so my kitchen is clean. Rob killed the vacuum. So vacuum is dead because he ran it on what, Boost? Was it Boost? Yeah. Boost kills your thing. So the battery, yes. This has to be wiped off. It's get the spray and then that pot goes on the stove. It doesn't sit there. Okay? That red pot, they always leave it sitting there. It doesn't sit there. Yeah, don't slam it. Set it down because you will crack the cooktop. Thank you. Rob's Christmas cup. I don't know what to do with it. I don't have a space for. Rob, what do I do with your cup? Where'd I put it? It doesn't go with Ray Dunn. It's not a Ray Dunn mug.
Neither does my Yeti.
Why is your Yeti? Oh my gosh, why is it so random in there? What's that? Why is that glass there? See the drinking glass? That's not where that goes.
This Jordan.
Was that a face mask? Oh no, never mind. You think I should put this up in here?
No, I don't think so.
I hope we don't have guests that comes over looking for. Anyways, we went Christmas clearance shopping. Everything was picked over, even though it was only 50% off. I don't know, this year people are going crazy. So I just got a few more of these. I got 2 more. I already own 2, so, and I paid full price for the other 2. So these were only $3. And what else did we get? That's it? And wrapping paper. We got a ton of wrapping paper. This is trash. This is trash. Hi, Gio. Rob is, and this was also one of my Christmas presents. My crock pot. But it stains easily, guys. Like, look, that's the thing. That's Rob's big old fingerprint in my white crock pot. It's smaller than my other one now, but it's okay. It still works. Like Jaxson said, it still works. So, and then this one over here is making bracelets. Oh, and we got her, you snagged it already?
What you do?
Huh?
I tried to take the thing off.
And it snagged it? We gotta cut that. Gotta cut that off. But we got her a headband. She wanted the headband, so I got it. But she's making bracelets. Bracelets. What do you want, toddler? Backside. Come. Come. Let's show the people your mess. This is her little setup. And we did get her a new LOL because one of her LOL turned up missing and she was very sad about that. So, oh, this is the new girl? Oh, she has pink hair. Oh, okay. And then we got her very own backpack. The things we do for our kids. It's not broken? Okay. Okay. No, she's not legit giving me candy to play with her. She's like bribing me. I don't want to play right now, Mommy. I gotta finish cleaning up. I can't. I have to finish cleaning up your mess. No. No. She's legit jumping over the shadow from the sun. No. Maddie.
What did you do?
Maddie. Madison, what happened? What hurt your eye? What hurt your eye?
So we didn't expect me.
The sun? Then why are you staring in it? Okay, you want me to close it? Alright. Why are we closing up the house so early? Daddy likes the sunshine.
Yeah, but it's hitting my
You don't like it? Why are you being a brat today?
I can use this or do I have to shake it?
No, don't shake it, Jordan. Tell them don't shake it. There's no reason for you to shake it, Papa. Mataya, no, Maddie. Go ask your sister. Ask Destiny. Ask Destiny. I can't open it. I have one hand. I got the camera in the other. Ask Daddy. Daddy, can you please open this for her? Thank you. Stop swinging off of the stuff. Turn it on. What do you say? What do you say? Better stop acting like a brat before you get your butt beat. Okay, guys. So, I have a question. When do you guys take your Christmas tree down? I'm tempted to do it, like, right now. But, I don't have, all the stuff I need to put up. I didn't even take down that from the fall. And to be honest, I really don't want to because we're going to build something here. So, and Rob's TV, I'm thinking of putting Rob's TV on this wall. I want to get him the TV. Y'all I got to be quiet. I didn't want to get him the 75-inch TV. We got to go pick it out. I didn't want to get him the 75. First of all, I didn't want a TV in here. And I just want a fireplace, couch, this wall to be empty. But I think I could put his TV over here, mount it to the wall, move this here, move this closer this way, like right here. Or, no, yeah, this here, and then put 2 chairs, like when we do the fireplace, put 2 chairs here. Yes, baby? Okay. And then put his TV here, because I feel like the dimension of my fireplace is going to be smaller than his TV, because I'm going to have built-ins here so I can decorate, because y'all know I love to decorate. I'm going to have little built-ins here, and then the fireplace in the middle. And then I'm going to have a mirror up on the fireplace. I don't want no TV on there. So this is the only wall I can put his TV on or wait until we get the basement done. I can put the TV down there because I'm like, I want that big old thing. A 75-inch TV is massive, guys. Like, but it's what he asked for and I agreed, so whatever. This is my My stocking. I've been in. It's just Bob gave me a sock.
I was just looking at what I was
You
doing.
did? Oh, you did. Good.
His mom gave me
Like the
these in my stocking, and we've been eating all the candy. I'm gonna be so fat. Now Rob gave me hand cream. What's wrong with the dog? Don't, Juju, you better not throw up on my carpet.
He's gone.
Y'all take him outside. He's huffing. Babe, the dog is, he's hawking. Is it hawking? Whatever. Rob got me this one, which I think is so cute because I'm going to put it in my bag. Because my hands always dry. My little crossbars. You give it to me. Give me my candy. You can't eat all of them. You already got the other one. You can't. This is my last bun.
Can I have one?
No, and I can't eat my bun. You were opening this one. All right, take this one. Take this one. Stop crying. Here, you can have that one. And I can't eat the last of my You see how they stay? They eat their stuff and then come for my stuff. I have some Jolly Ranchers down in here. I can't wait for all this candy to be. Brat, get out of here. Bye. Bye. Okay, guys. So, still waiting on that crock pot to heat up. Getting dark outside, so I had to go close up the house. I got my AirPods. That's what I've been using to edit my videos. Cause Rob is like, it's so loud. Cause when I edit, it's like over and over again. You're hearing the clips play over and over again. So I just pop one of these bad boys in my ear and nobody knows what the heck I'm doing. But I'm tired. I hope you guys enjoyed this little bit of footage. Hopefully I can get back on a regular schedule of posting Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'm gonna change it up 2021 and see if I can be a little bit more consistent. Vlogmas was amazing. I did great. I didn't miss a day except for Christmas, but that's understandable because Christmas Day was just off the chain. It was just like from the time that all my family member hit my house, I was just like going until 10 o'clock at night. I tried to edit the footage. It was just too much footage. And I'm just like, okay, just take your time and get it out the next day. So that's why I miss the 25th. But that's understandable. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.